Hey guys, it's Bubbles. I am here to help you guys with your Stable Diffusion. If your Stable Diffusion looks a little something like this, every time you try and start it, it's just not happening. You're connected to the internet and it just won't let you. You gotta go to your initial file where you downloaded your Stable Diffusion. So I'd go to your whatever file you downloaded it to. I downloaded it into my AI file. And once you're in here, you scroll all the way down to Web UI User. And this is going to bring up your command prompt dealio that as soon as it's done completing, it should then allow you to boot up this guy, Stable Diffusion. So we'll let it run, and there we go. Boom. Just a heads up, this create a public link, set share true, look into that before just starting that, because I've been told, or I've read that people can apparently get into your computer easier this way if you do go through the public link. I don't know exactly all the details of that, but just a fair warning. And so if this didn't solve your problem, I actually have one more tip for you. Go to Python. Should have had to download Python when you installed Stable Diffusion. So in this, you go to Python AMD, and it's going to be this is update 310.6. Firstly, I would repair it, make sure that everything's properly installed, and then if that is not fixing the problem, go to Modify, and I selected all of these boxes here. This is what helped me personally, so I would recommend, Python Test Suite, TLC/TK, and idle, pip, and documentation, and then, click Next. I also added Python to environment variables and created the shortcut. I know I'm not going to reinstall it, but you get the gist. So that's what helped me, guys. I hope that it helps you. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe. Share this with someone who is also having this issue for sure. Alright, well, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.